Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi everyone, my name's Dallin and I'm a senior consultant at Solved. And today we're going to continue our discussion into Spiff. We're going to keep building on those things that we've learned. So, as you'll remember, we talked about advanced filtering in one of our previous parts. We're going to take some of the filters that we built in the advanced filtering section, and we're going to use that to now learn about data sheets. What data sheets will allow us to do is actually start to build out our commission structure. So we're going to use the filters that we've built in order to build a payout rule. Very simple payout rule to start, but you'll start to see how we can use the data from Spiff and start to build out our payout structure. So excited about today. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so hopping right in, if you'll remember, we built the closed-in period filter in one of our previous videos. You'll remember that is taking it by rep, so you can see right now we're filtering by Ava. These are opportunities where Ava is the owner and where she has closed won that opportunity. So we've already gone through the whole process. It has closed one. And we're making sure that it is in period. So right now our period is December. And so you can see in December, Ava has closed 6 opportunities. So we've already built that filter. Great. Now what? What's the next step? Well, now we've spent most of our time in this data tab. We're actually going to flip into our plans tab and start to build in there. So you can see I have our Spiff training plan. And I've already built a folder here called example plan folder. I'm going to go right next to example plan folder and you'll see the 3 dots here. And I'm going to click on those 3 dots. You'll notice here is where you can start to see some of the sheets that we can use in order to build within Spiff. Today we're going to be talking about the data sheet, but in future videos we're going to continue to expound on why would we need to use a worksheet, a lookup table, range table, and how we can use those tables to also help build our commission structure. Like I said, we're going to be building in a data sheet today. So I'll click new data sheet. I'll call it our test data sheet. I'll say 1 and I'll click enter. Okay. So now we have a test data sheet. So what is a data sheet? I've pulled up a definition here just so that it's clear for everybody. A data sheet in Spiff is a table of data, usually sourced from Salesforce or another system, that Spiff imports and uses to calculate commissions. It acts like a spreadsheet or a database table where each row is a record and each column is a field. So pretty straightforward definition. So let's see what that means. In order to get the data sheet to where it starts to have data in it, we're going to use that closed-in period filter that we've built. So over here on our right-hand side, the first thing you'll need to do is select an object. So we built that filter on the opportunity object. We'll select opportunity, and then now we can select a filter. And so we'll go and select our closed-in period filter there. You'll notice same filtering here. Ava in December, you can see we have the 6 opportunities here. What we can do just to bring in information so that it's easy for us to understand what's happening is you can go and add any of the fields that you have syncing for the opportunity object. So just to ensure that we're looking at Ava, I want to bring in the owner ID and just ensure yep, that's Ava's owner ID, and we can see that fits for all the opportunities. I also want to bring in the ARR, right? Because that's how we're going to start doing the math. We need to bring in how much the opportunities were closed won for. So we can see each of our opportunities. We've got 17K, 25K that she has closed on these opportunities. So like I said, we want to now start to build commission payout rules. So how does that happen? We're going to start small and then we'll get big, right? So what's the most simple commission payout we can think of? Probably just a flat rate, right? So let's say that Ava, when she closes an opportunity, based off of the ARR, she gets 8% of whatever she's closed. So what we can do, instead of adding fields from the opportunity, is we can start to create new fields that we can then use. So I'll click new here and let's create a new field. Let's call this one our payout field. And I'll go ahead and create that. I'll click enter. And now payout is a field. And you'll notice that in payout, we now have a function that we can create just like you're in Excel. So I'll click here on the function. And what did we say? 8%, right? That Ava will get based off the ARR. So what you can do, just like in Excel, you can start it with an equals. And you can come and say, hey, this ARR field is the one that we want to base it off of. And we want to take that field and we want to multiply it by 8%. And I'll go ahead and click enter. Once I do that, you can either click enter or click that checkbox to make sure that it's saved. Once I do that, you'll notice that the math starts to happen for you right away. Again, very, very simple. We'll get more complicated. We'll start to talk about splits or meeting quota, accelerators, things like that. But very simply, we can start to see, hey, for Ava, if she's just getting a flat 8% for everything that she closes, we have our payouts here. And then we can use this payout and create a payout rule and say, hey, we're going to go ahead and create payout rule. We'll save that, create. And now if we come back up to our plan here, we can see payout rule. In the month of December, Ava, based off of what she's closed, has earned $14,000. How great is that? We're already building out our plan to see, hey, this is how much Ava's going to be paid in this month in real time. So that's what we're going to stop today. We're going to continue to learn how to get more complex, but we can start to see how a data sheet can be used to build out payout rules in the future. So thanks for this video. If you want to brainstorm, to think about, hey, I have my commission plan, my business has our commission plan, but I don't know how this would look in Spiff, reach out to us. I would love to hop on a call with you and talk about, hey, this is how we can do this in Spiff. So go to solve.cloud, reach out to us. We would love to connect with you and get your commission structure in Spiff so that you can save so much time for your finance team. Hope you had a great time. We'll see you on the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.